Hi everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Masa'id from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Engineering Faculty, 11 Maret, University, Surakarta. Here I will present the result of my teamwork, noise quality and muffler design of Formula SAE Racecar. What is FSA? Student Formula Competition is an opportunity for students to develop skills for object creation, which in turn contributes to the expansion of the automotive industry. This competition is a public activity for self-motivated students to cultivate various skills involved with object creation, and as training for those who will one day play critical roles in the future of the automotive industry. Students build a single-seat Formula race car with which they can compete against teams from all over the world. The competition is not won solely by the team with the fastest car, but rather by the team with the best overall package of construction, performance, financial, and sales planning. The main factor that determines the car is worth following the Tynet method is technical inspection. In technical inspection, there are several steps that must be passed, such as scrutineering, tilt and wake test, brake test, and noise test. In the noise test, there are regulations that require the sound of a muffler should not exceed 103 dB in idle and 110 dB in 7000 RPM. Therefore, it takes a muffler that can reduce the sound issued by the engine. If the difference between the standard design from the engine KTM 450 XF muffler and the design muffler for Formula SAE Racecar. The muffler consists of galvanum in the outside and perforated plate in the inside, and the space between them was filled with glass wool and steel. Resonator placed near the outlet of the engine. A microphone of precision sound level analyzer was used to measure exhaust noise, with parameters from the end part of the exhaust outlet are 0.5 meters and 45 degrees. The muffler was tested several times, and we got the average value described in the graph. The blue color is the standard muffler and the design muffler is the orange. From the graph, we can see that the design muffler can absorb noise better than the standard muffler. At the idle 1500 RPM, standard muffler noise value is 107 dB. The Formula SAE muffler achieves 97 dB. At the max 7000 RPM, standard muffler noise value is 112 dB. The Formula SAE muffler achieves 101 dB. According to measurement results, the absorbent muffler that was used for the vehicle is a good broadband attenuator. In addition, this absorbent muffler can control noise at low or high frequencies. Attenuation at the high frequency of the muffler is obtained from the use of absorbent material, while the medium to low frequency controlled by the central chamber. After all, it is ideal for such applications because it provides the necessary attenuation, is light and produces less back pressure to improve engine performance. Formula SAE racing car exhausts must be designed to meet all function requirements. In the future, there are many possible muffler design solutions for specific situations. Still, its performance on the car proves the design. Thank you very much.